We're always running after something to be happy, but having a life is already a reason to be happy. Now you will need to be fast to survive, just like you live your life, always running. In 60 seconds, a laser will reach you. It is harmless to almost everything except human skin. You just need to enter the correct combination to open the door. But come on, Josh, run. You're really outdoing yourself, Josh. You proved to me that you deserve a second chance. Now, as I promised, you will be freed. Your reward is just ahead. You become the protagonist of your own life. A man who fought to survive and punish those who harmed him. Go ahead, Josh. Free yourself. Congratulations, Josh. You survived my game, and your reward is here. The man in front of you is Wilson Parker, a 49-year-old man. You must know him well. He ran over and killed your son while he was drunk and drugged. You bribed the judge and jury. He laughed at you in court. He never cared for what he did. Now you will be the judge, and we know very well that he is guilty and needs to pay. This is your last game, Josh. Your choice to break free and start a new life. Pull the lever and get justice, or just stand there and rot in this room. Revenge and justice, it's the same thing. Live or die, Josh. The choice is yours.